it's Adam. So today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to vacuum. So let's do it. So here it is. So here's the, I connect that to the plug. You know, it's power, virtual, and on. Okay, here's the place. That's where the dust and dirt stuff goes. So let's start power on. That's how you vacuum. Vacuum. So that's it. So I just showed you guys how to vacuum. That's it, like just like a quick video today. Like I just showed you guys like how to vacuum. That's it. But I just did it in my room. It's just because I was just showing you like a tutorial. So that's it for today's video. Yeah, and Happy New Year's everyone, and that's it. So yeah, even that's click pressing when you vacuum, when I vacuum, like when I click, like you keep doing hard and hard so the dirty stuff can go in the vacuum. Like you have to push hard and keep vacuuming. You know, hard and like this. So you have to keep doing hard and hard so it can be clean. So that's it for today's video. And if you like the video, please subscribe and have a good day. Bye guys.